What's up, guys? Hold on, let me make sure you guys can actually hear what's going on here. I want you guys to be able to hear the game a little bit, I noticed that it's hard to hear the game sometimes, you guys deserve to be able to hear it. So there's nothing on the desktop right now. Okay. Oh. Don't want that echo. Alright, I don't know if you'll be able to hear the game, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't really matter. Oh, you might have heard that, maybe. I guess you'll hear it through my phone. But yeah, today we were playing, I'm not gonna lie, I have so much schoolwork I have to do. But we're gonna be playing Clash Royale until my phone dies, and then I'll do the schoolwork, maybe. I might just fall asleep. But yeah, I've been grinding, as you can see. Got about 12,000 trophies. I need to get the Vine spell, like, maxed out, because that thing is just crackety-dacketied. I want to get to 15k. I want to play ranked, dude. I want to become a pro. But, we're just not there yet. Okay, let's not leak too much here. Okay, I have not been paying attention, so I don't know what this guy's running. But to be honest, oh. Come on. Come on, Bar Barrel. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my days. Come on, get a hit. Yeah, but he's screaming. Okay. Wait, he has a cannon, right? I guess he just wanted to take the damage. But yeah, I want to get up there, man. I want to get up there. I want to play with the greats. I'm just not very good at the game. It's worth it. Okay. Let's just calm down here. Why does everyone play these cards, bro? Okay. Uh-oh, chat. I don't know. Come on. Good, Ram Rider. Okay. He's about to play Royal Recruits. Okay. We gotta, like, really try and defend here, obviously. Oh, that Royal Recruit. Okay, we have to. Oh, should I have just gone for it? Oh, no. We're good. We're good, right? Oh. Oh my days. Okay. We gotta go for it. He has a... Okay, so we have to go yoink. It's too late. Come on. Come on. That's basically how it's done. But yeah, the reason I'm... Oh, make sure to hydrate, guys. The reason I'm back on Clash Royale, I took such a long break because I couldn't win. I'll just open this up. I could not win. But you see this person right here, R Sizzle? when I see him catch up to me in trophies, catch up slash surpass me in trophies, that's when I know, no offense to our sizzle, but that's when I know that I'm gonna have an easier time winning, okay? I feel like that's offensive. It's not offensive. It's not meant to be offensive to our sizzle. But the truth of the matter is, at a certain point, the less good people catch up to where I'm at, and I can start winning again. And the really good people move on, and I don't have to play them, so I stop losing as much. And that's just kind of, I got on, and I saw him up there, and I was like, okay, I might have a chance to start winning. And what do you know? What do you know? Let's look at the battle log. Minus that defeat. Okay. Well, it looks like I'm pretty even, golly. Okay, never mind. I thought I was going to get up here and it's just going to be victory, victory, victory. Okay, see, victory, victory, victory. Victory. A lot of victories in a row. But yeah, anyways. There's more victories than losses. I guess not, because as you can see, I guess I was a little bit higher before. But we're going to get to 15K. Not today. Probably not tomorrow. Probably not the next day. Maybe not this season, but we're going to do it. Oh my days. Come on, get a hit. You big back. Okay. Got luck in here. Holy days, that does so much damage. We're still good though. Got his tower. Come on, Ram Rider, hit that thing. Hit it. Hit it, Ram Rider. What the? It's fine. It's fine. We're doing good. We are doing good here. But yeah, this is a nice break from Super Auto Pets. Well, this game makes me rage, like I said, when I lose. But if I can keep it even, or like, I think I'm winning a little bit more than I'm losing, I don't rage as much, but golly, dude. When I'm losing, oh, buddy. I'd be breaking phones and stuff out here, dog. I take this game very seriously. And I'm not very good at it either, to be honest, to be quite frank with you. Get a hit. Good boy. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. What the frick? Buddy playing the sneaky Godom. No way this works right. Nice. Another dubski. Dude, is this like hecka laggy and not like on the computer? It low-key does look hecka laggy, yeah. Is Droidcast not the best way to do this? Honestly, probably not. I hope it doesn't look too bad. We're at 10 minutes. Let's play another, shall we? Okay, we're almost at 13. If we get this, we'll be at 13. That's a good stopping point. And then, what the flip? I did not mean to do that. And then I will do my stats homework. And I'm taking stats as a sophomore in college, so if you're in high school right now, you might as well just do it. Because you're probably going to have to do it, even if you don't want to do it. Okay. Okay. Get a hit. And then dash, and then dash. Aw. I could have zapped there and probably took his tower, but it's fine. I think I hear my grandma yelling. My grandma has dementia and some other stuff. And she yells a lot. Dude, the fact that a fireball is such a hard counter to Furnace, but I mean, it's that's how it should be. Oh, whoa, 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 bad, bad, bad. Bad Ram Rider, on my part. Because I just gave him so much time to defend it. Well, he would have defended it either way. Okay. And another reason that I'll never be able to, like, really keep up with everyone, obviously. Well, actually, no, that's not even a good excuse. Because I have a friend who I don't think he has, like, every card, like, maxed out. But he, like, plays what he has. He has more than me maxed out, but he plays what he has. And he's able to win in, like, all different kinds of metas. So I was gonna say, like, the reason I won't be able to keep up with everybody in this game is because, like, I don't have every card maxed out. So I can't, like, if this is the meta, I can't be doing that. Like the Spirit Empress and the Vines. I can't be I can't use them because, like, bruh, they're not leveled. Okay, he's gonna Ram Rider probably. Yeah, okay. And we just have to that Ewiz is such a hard counter to Ram Rider. Like, Ram Rider is better than Hog in a lot of situations, I think. Oh wait, is he cycling that fast? Ram Rider is better than Hog in a lot of situations, in my opinion. But to counter a Ram Rider, you just need an Ewiz. To counter a Hog, you need an Ewiz plus a Snowball. Or probably a Log could do it. But I still think Ram Rider is a better option. I think. I mean, probably not, to be honest, if you're, like, a lot more skillful at the game than me. But anyways, that's 13 minutes. That's 3 games. That's 3 dubs. That's good content, if you ask me. Wow, 1300 doesn't even get you to an arena. Just golly. Skull, my arch nemesis. And this is the dude that I was talking about, C. Mills, bro. Like, I don't think he has every card maxed out. He has a lot. Like, look at this. This isn't, like, the main deck that he used to use. Wait. Are you allowed to have 3 Evos? Or is that just... Wait, what? Huh? What? Wait. If you get to 1500 or something... Are you allowed to have 3 Evos? Hang on a second, chat. Are you allowed? Hold on. Anyways, I just wanted to make sure there's no weird autofill popping up. Are you allowed to have 3 Evos and Clash Royale? I'm so confused. Why does it... Maybe just because he has 3 cards in rotation? Wait, if I click on, like, my profile... I mean, they're not highlighted. I don't know, maybe I'm an idiot. But anyways, what I was saying about him is, like, he does have quite a bit more cards level, like, maxed out more than me. Because, like, he used to run double print giant deck. Now he's running Expo. Which, you know, I don't really mess with Expo. I mean, my Expo deck is... None of my decks are actually maxed out. Like, a lot of my cards are level 14 and 15. Right. A lot of my cards are level 14, I mean. Like, a very good amount of my cards. But a small few of my cards are level 15, right? Like, Mega Knight's level 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5 cards at level 15. And I'm not even level 15 King Tower yet. I gotta get to level 54. I'm very close. But that's not a good excuse. Like, if I'm actually good at the game, I should still be able to win, right? But I'm not actually that good at the game. Anyways, that's enough yapping for today. Probably gonna play some more Clash Royale coming up here. Maybe play some more Super Auto Pets. Maybe try and get back on Skate, but like, I don't know, it's being mad weird. And it won't let me use my PS4 controller for some reason. I like my PS4 controller better than my PS5 controller. I mean, it is mine. Let's see what the clan's talking about. What's a clan voyage, by the way? What is this? Is this replacing Clan Wars, or has it already? See, I gotta get back to number 1 in the clan. I just have to. Which means I will be grinding. I will be grinding to 15k, and then I'll be grinding on what is this called? Ranked. So yeah. Stay tuned. More content to come. See you later.